Here's how to dollar cost average on Robinhood. So to dollar cost average here on the Robinhood app, you're going to have to set up recurring investments in whatever it is you want to invest in. So we're going to go up to the little search icon up here and search for your stock, your ETF, whatever it is you're wanting to invest. For example's sake, I'm just going to type in Apple here. And so we'll search for the Apple stock, and we have Apple right here. We can click on it. That'll take us to the page. It'll show us the updated pricing right here. And then at the bottom, we can hit trade and then buy, right? Because dollar cost average, we're investing. We're going to buy stock. But we're not just going to buy stock right now. We're going to set up a recurring investment. To do that, we go up to this dollars drop down. And then from there, we'll find in conditional orders, recurring investment. So we can invest in Apple on a recurring schedule. So we tap on that, and then we can choose our frequency. Is it every day? Is it every week, every 2 weeks, every month? Maybe you want to do every month on the 8th, right? Because whatever day it is you're placing this order, it'll just be every month on that day. We can hit continue. We can choose how much of that stock we want to buy. Maybe we're putting in $5 every month into Apple. Continue. And then you choose your payment method. So where are these funds going to come from? Are they just coming from your bank account or your buying power? Whichever it is, you select that and then hit continue again. And then inside of here, you're going to review the trade that's actually going to happen. So what is the order total? It's happening every month on the 8th. Where's the payment coming from and when does it start? You can actually edit when it starts by tapping on that. So you can choose a date that it starts if you want it to be like the 1st of the month or something like that. And we can go back and basically we review the order and then submit the order. So we're reviewing everything and we swipe up to submit. And that's all you have to do to dollar cost average by setting up a recurring investment on Robinhood.